Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and as you can see in the background, it's so important to have balance whenever you're doing your yoga poses or with regards to your emotions, and these blends can certainly help with that. So you have doTERRA's Balance at 15 mil, which is 250 drops roughly. You have the Young Living Valor at 5 mil, and then the Melaleuca Lighten at 15 mil, and so the 5 mil is about a third of the size and has about 85 drops. So the benefits of the Balance is that it promotes relaxation, eases anxious feelings, and evokes feelings of tranquility. The benefits of the Valor is that it has an uplifting and affirming scent, helps unwind before bed with a massage as well. And then the benefits of the Melaleuca Lighten are that it provides a fresh and invigorating aroma that reduces stress during times of pressure. And then the uses of Balance are twofold, so you can add 3 to 5 drops in a 4-hour diffuser like the pedal diffuser, or you can add 6 to 10 drops in an aroma light diffuser that doTERRA has. And then the other way to use Balance is you can apply 1 to 2 drops under your wrists or on your reflex points, so bottoms of your feet or even behind your ears or palms of your hands are kind of really good for that. And then the uses are twofold with the Young Living's Valor, so you can diffuse aromatically or dilute with a carrier oil and rub onto your shoulders, bottoms of your feet, or your chest. And finally, you have the uses being twofold for the Melaleuca Lighten, so you can use it in a diffuser, dilute in a roller bottle, and apply to temples, back of your neck, or your spine. The ingredients of doTERRA's Balance is spruce, oak wood, frankincense, blue tansy, blue chamomile, and osmanthus, as well as fractionated coconut oil to help kind of dilute everything and make sure that the oils absorb better into the skin. And then Young Living's Valor has caprylic slash capric triglyceride, which is a derivative from coconut oil. It also has black spruce, camphor, blue tansy, frankincense, and geranium. And then the ingredients of Melaleuca's Lighten are tangerine, bergamot, lavender, ylang ylang, rosemary, cedarwood, and Roman chamomile. And then finally, the price of doTERRA's Balance is $26.67 retail and $20 wholesale. I do have some videos that kind of compare that so you can kind of see what you can all get, as well as the difference with kits and all that fun stuff. And then the price for Young Living's Valor is $52.30 retail, which is more than doTERRA's Balance, and it's only a third of the size as well, so keep that in mind. And then it's also $39.75 wholesale, so it's still more than doTERRA as well in that category. And then the price for Melaleuca's Lighten is $24.67 for a regular member, which is very similar to the retail model, or it's $12.50 for a preferred member. And so before you are like, hey, it's cheaper, we also have to look at quality, testing, third-party testing, verification of that testing, as well as some other key factors which I do cover in some of my other videos. And so there's also some other things that you have to do as a preferred member with Melaleuca in order to earn that price. And so that's also covered, which I'll have more information in the links in the description below, so you can check those out and get your learn on. Otherwise, that concludes today's video. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, again, check out those links, and I'll see you in the next video.